So now to make this here cuttable, I need to add a couple of lines to help me figure out what's going on. Added some lines here. There's a little through line on my front and back walls to be full length. So I added my through lines. What that means is when I cut my cardboard, I'm going to cut one slab from the total length of the house for a front and a back. For my side walls, I'm going to go from the inside edge to the inside edge. Interior walls, same thing. Inside, inside. Alright, now it gets kind of complicated. Because I got to tip this front wall down, this side wall down, this back wall down, the side wall down, in a flat two-dimensional drawing. Because the cutter we're going to use recognizes flat two-dimensional drawings, not these fancy 3D things. So I'm going to change my camera angle to a standard view of the top view, view from above. Okay, I'm going to orbit kind of back and forth a little bit so you can see what's going on here. I'm going to build right off the corner of the house. So I'm going to build a flat line, 7 feet tall, 20 feet wide, 7 feet tall. So I'm drawing a flat view of the wall tipped over. I do this because I have my marks right here. I can go from this corner, I'm going to go up 6 feet. I chose to go a 3 feet wide door and down 6 feet. I'm going to have, this is going to be the front wall of my house. Okay. Same thing over here in this wall. I'm going to draw this one, same thing. Here I have a 7 foot tall wall. This is not going to be 8 feet wide, is it? Hold on, try this again. Zoom in. See my through lines? Forgot that part. Got it though. Here we go. I gotta draw in this, this new line from my through point straight down. From the through point straight down. Okay. Why did that go away? Through point straight down. Okay. So now a piece of cardboard is going to be this wide. From here, 7 feet tall. And it's going to be 8 feet minus 6 inches. So it's 7'6", and then 7 feet. The windows, I just got to draw those in again. I memorized the numbers. So I know I have... I went down 12 inches, then down 12 more. I went in to a distance, and in a distance, and I went in a distance. Oops, missed. To there. I'll draw those in. And place my guidelines. That one's done. And the same for the back and the other side wall. Okay, so all 4 of those walls are drawn. I just kind of took some measurements off my windows, transferred them down. It says my left wall, front wall, right wall, and back wall are all done, and done. Inside the walls, that's coming up next. Now I got to figure out how to transfer, like where this wall connects to the back wall and connects to the front wall, and put those marks here on my paper somewhere. So I'm going to kind of transfer some lines. I'm going to go from this edge, I'm going to go straight across the wall, and then straight down the wall to find that connection point, and draw a line across. Oops, I'm in the wrong color. Straight across, and then straight down. So every wall that connects, I want to draw them in. So I'm going to draw, whoops, missed. There. It's got to be the right color or it won't work. Green, this one is blue, that one is green, that one is blue. Okay. So now this wall is going to land on this wall right on this line. If I keep my lines here, the machine's going to cut this cardboard into pieces and cut these parts away. And that'd be bad. I don't want that. Okay? I got to somehow make a tab on the inside wall to plug into a plug on the side wall. I'll draw a tab here. I'll draw a plug here. To make it easier, we'll keep things all consistent. Okay? Watch here. So I'm going to, this is a 7-foot tall wall. I'm just going to go measure 2 feet down, measure 2 feet up. I'm going to draw in a line across, line across, line across, line across, and you erase off these, and you erase off these. So now I have my front wall drawn. So it's going to cut the doorway out, cut that little spot out, cut that little spot out. So then build the plug on this wall. The plug will plug into that spot and line up. Okay? The same thing for the back side of the wall. Okay, so that wall is done. So I have the front wall of my plug openings, back wall plug openings. Now these walls. I'm going to have probably a plug cut in, over, and out. This guy's going to have an out, over. I'll show you that. Same thing. So on these end walls, same measurements, the same 2 feet, 2 feet. So I'm going to go 2 feet down, same 2 feet up. And our cardboard we're going to use is 3 inches thick. So if I draw this little zone, oops, get out of there. 3, 3, 3. And then same thing over here. Same 3-inch up. And draw this little chunk. And then erase off my guidelines. Guidelines. And then erase off this. And oh, let's zoom in today. Yeah, that's fun. So now this wall tips up. This little notch right here is going to plug into a tab I'll have built into this wall. Okay, I'll build one and I'll show you the rest of them. Same thing. 2 feet up, 2 feet down. Let's make it simple. 2 feet up, 2 feet down. And it's going to be out 3 inches. I'll do both long as I have it set up. 3 inches, 3 inches. And I'll draw this line from point to point. And then draw that one in. Erase off my guidelines. And these little connector points there. Got it. So I'm kind of going to puzzle. This tips up, that plugs into that plug-in spot. Wall is done. I'll finish the rest of the walls. I'll be right back. So all 4 of my outside walls are done. So I have my spots where the inside walls will plug into, and my corner walls plug into. So the tab is here, tab is there. The tip up, they'll plug in, they'll plug in, they'll plug in, they'll plug in. All right, that part's done.